Have you decided to enter the field of cybersecurity? Do you have a solid understanding of computers and networking, but need foundational knowledge of cybersecurity principles in order to move into a cybersecurity career path? If so, the CSP from Mile2 is where you need to start. This 200-level course lays the foundation for all of Mile2's management, response and recovery, and auditing career paths. Through this course, you will be introduced to information security concepts covering internet technology, risk management, cryptography, identity and access management, data, network, server, application, and mobile device security. You'll also cover day-to-day InfoSec, plus compliance and auditing fundamentals. Each module is enhanced with hands-on training in our Cyber Range labs hosted on our exclusive Ghost pen testing application. With the knowledge from this course, you will be prepared to take the Certified Security Principles exam and earn your CSP certification. Display the certification and badge on your online career profile as a marker of your knowledge and skill. Get ready to move from IT to InfoSec with Mile2's CSP course and certification exam.